Your Honor, may I kindly request for the recognition of Councilor Roma Robles?
Councilor Roma Robles is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Majority Floor Leader and Mr. Presiding Officer. Ito po ay isang privilege speech po. Kasi po nung mga nakaraang araw, may nakita po akong post sa FB na hindi kaaya-aya para sa aking paningin at sa aking pananaw bilang lingkod bayan na kinabibilangan ng pamunuan ni Mayor Hani Lacuna, ng inyo pong lingkod, kayo po, Vice Mayor Yulcer Bonyeto, at ng 12 City Council. Ito po ay patungkol sa FB post ng isang napakabait na SK Chairman ng Distrito 5. Ang pangalan niya ay si SK Chairman Kiana Juntilla Pornobi. At ang kanyang post na nakaagaw ng aking pansin. Tignan nyo, ako ay napakamalumanay magsalita dahil mabagal, hindi ako mabagal magsalita eh. Medyo nanggigigil kasi ako. Ito ang post niya. Sabi niya, "Thank you po. May panghanda na ang aso namin. SK Juliana." Ang pangalan niya, Julian. SK Kiana pala. SK Chairman Kiana Juntilla Pornobi. Panghanda ng aso mo. Sinabi mo, panghanda ng aso mo. Ilang-ilang pamilya, daang libo ang binibigyan ng lungsod ng Maynila ng pamaskong handog. Sasabihin mo, panghanda ng aso mo. Yung pamaskong handog na yan, kinakain ko din yan. Ibig sabihin, lahat kaming Manileño na nakatanggap nito, kinumpara mo sa aso. Tama po ba yon? Kahit kayo lumagay sa katayuan ko, magagalit kayo. Ikaw, SK Chairman ka, dapat ikaw ay isang magandang ehemplo. Oo, sige, inaamin namin. Hindi engrande ang pamaskong handog na yan. Pero disente yan at makakain. Maraming tao ang nagugutom. Pinagtrabahuhan namin yan. Mula kay Mayor Hani, kay Vice Mayor Yulcerbo, at ang 12 City Council. Maraming utang ang Maynila. Pero sinisinop namin ang bawat sentimong pumapasok para mapasaya at mapaglingkuran ang bawat Manileño. Tapos, lalaitin mo ng ganyan. At tahasang pambabastos yan sa ina ng Maynila. Hindi mo ba alam, iha? Wala pa sa 1/8 o isang guhit ng boto mo ang bumoto kay Mayor Hani Lacuna nung nakaraang eleksyon para bastusin mo ng ganyan sa Facebook. Alam mo, iha, SK Chairman ka pa man din. Sana, may kasabihan nga tayo eh, think before you click. Hindi yan dapat palampasin ng 12 City Council. At lalong-lalo nang hindi dapat yan palampasin ni SK President Councilor Yan Ibay. Dahil kadistrito yan ni SK Pres Yan Ibay. Na ang sabi ni SK Yan Ibay, siya ang boses ng kabataan. Ako ay nagsusumamo sa iyo, SK Pres Yan Ibay, na bigyan mo ng reprimand o disciplinary action itong nasasakupan mong SK Chairman. Dahil hindi maganda ang inasal sa Facebook. Oo, alam ko, napapanahon. Iba-iba ang sinusuportahan nating politiko. Pero hindi para bastusin ang mayor ng Maynila. Nire-respeto ko, SK Kiana, kung kanino ka naniniwala. Karapatan mo yan eh. Pero, wag mo kaming bastusin. Ang gusto ko din kay SK Kiana, mag-public apology siya kay Mayor Hani, kay Vice Mayor Yul Serbo, at sa 12 City Council na kinabibilangan ni SK Pres Juliana Ibay. Dahil hindi nakakatuwa ang kanyang inasal. Bilang chairman ng Committee on Children Affairs, kasama ko ang Youth Bureau, kasapi yan, membro ko yan, pati ang SK Fed. Ako po, simula 2019, chairman ng Children's Affairs. Pinagtatanggol at pinoprotektahan ko ang mga kabataan. Pero kung ganitong kabataan na nagpakita ng maling asal, dapat turuan po ng leksyon. SK Kiana, bilang ate mo sa konseho, kasi ang SK chairman ba, mga 21, 22 years old, para na tayo magkapatid. Payo ko sa'yo, ang taong nagpapakumbaba ay itinataas. Aminin mo ang kamalian mo. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. At sana po, yung mga tumatanggap ng biyaya, maliit man o malaki, magpasalamat po tayo sa poong may kapal. Yun lamang. And I don't want to be interpolated. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Roma Robles.
Right to personal and collective privilege, Your Honor.
Councilor Yan Ibay.
Your Honor, to address the privileged speech of...
Point of order, Your Honor.
What is your point of order?
Point of order. Your Honor, the principal speaker, the Honorable Roma Robles, doesn't want to be interpolated. We have the rule. If we don't, the speaker of the privileged speech doesn't want to be interpolated, then no one can comment on our privileged speech. That is all, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
1 minute recess declared by the chair.
Thank you po, Your Honor. I wish not to interpolate the Honorable Councilor on this said matter. I would just like to merely express my sentiments with regards to everything that she has said about the SK chairman. So as the SK Federation President, I have already sent out a letter to the said SK chairman of Barangay 702. This is the said letter that I have already sent out to her, which she has received, and she has also given me her own letter explaining her side of the story. As of this moment, she is currently in the SK Federation office. I will be talking to her after the said session. Second po, I would say na if you're gonna attack the SK chairman, when you have already made a Facebook post as well, what makes you any better? Quote, this is what the Honorable Councilor has to say about the SK chairman. P.S. SK Kiana, ang kaartehan binabase sa kagandahan at tangos ng ilong. Di ka ba na-inform? You know, I would say I don't think it is right to be tarnishing the ideals, beliefs, and the personality of an SK chairman based merely off of a Facebook post. Because at the end of the day, I believe na we are all human. We're all inherently good with a bit of evil. But to discriminate one's looks based off of a mere Facebook post, I don't think is right. Alam natin, alam sa sarili ng SK chairman na nagkamali siya, but to discriminate her personality and her looks, I don't think is something na should be tackled. Honestly, lagi natin sinasabi na as older individuals, mas marami tayong alam sa kabataan, and we should be setting the example. Think before you click is what the Honorable Councilor had to say.
Point of order.
What is your point of order, Councilor Philip Lacuna?
I think the manifestation of the good SK President is out of topic. Sinabi po ayaw po magpa-interpolate ng atin pong kanina pong nag-deliver po ng privilege speech. But I would also like to commend the SK President Yan for taking immediate action in this problem. But I hope po sana wag na po natin to po pahabain pa po itong pinag-uusapan po natin. Anyway, the person who delivered the privilege speech has also said his piece. At binigyan naman po kaagad ng kaagarang action po ni Councilor Yanyan unless she's going to manifest to delivering another privilege speech. But in request ko lang po, nasa harapan po tayo ng mga SK po ngayon, ipapasa po natin ang kanila pong budget. Let us just keep this record or this issue po isang tabi. Again, bugso lang po ng damdamin bilang po nakakatandang membro at bilang isa pong senior member ng City Council. It is already enough that the good Councilor Roma Robles has said this kanila pong sentiments through a privileged speech at binigyan naman po ng aksyon ng atin pong butihing SK President. So yun lamang po, Your Honor. Simple request. Sana po let's stop it at this, Your Honor. And let us go on and continue with the business of the day. Marami pong tao nag-aantay. Andito po yung mga SK. Inaantay pong mapasa po nilang kanila pong budget. Yun lamang po, Your Honor. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Councilor Philip Lacuna. Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, I am
Your
here.
Honor. Last na po.
Okay, Councilor Yan Ibay is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor. Again, I'd just like to summarize everything that I've said. I really don't stand for hypocrisy, especially with matters such as this. So thank you for hearing my side, and I will be talking to the SK chairman po later on. So maraming salamat po.
Your Honor,
Maraming
Your
salamat.
Honor, Your Honor, hindi
Councilor
ako
Roma
ipokrita. Hindi ako ipokrita. At eto sinasabi mo, sinabi ko yon. Pag kami ang sumagot, dumipensa lang kami pamali. Yan tayo
Your Honor,
Diba?
Your Honor.
Kaya nga
1
may
minute recess
out
declared by the
loud
chair.
diba?
Your
Tingin
Honor.
ko, that's out of order na po yan.
Oo. Pag kami hindi pwede magsalita, Your Honor, pag sila pwede. Tama
Point
na
of
sabi
order.
sa...